Welcome to one of our Jardine hybrid apartments. These furnished apartments you can rent by the bedroom and have a shared kitchen, living room, and either one or two bathrooms. Bedrooms are lockable, private, and are furnished. In the bedroom, you will find a closet, a loftable XL twin bed, desk chair, and a dresser. Common areas are also furnished. The living room includes a couch, lounge chairs, and one or more coffee or end tables. Each kitchen has full-size appliances, including a refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, stove, and oven. The units also include a washer and dryer, as well as central heating and air conditioning. Wireless internet is included throughout Jardine, with data and cable ports available in bedrooms and living rooms. The utilities included are electricity, water, gas, sewer, trash, and recycling. These contracts begin August 1st and go through May 31st, making them convenient for those only wanting to stay during the academic year. Meal plans are available at our dining centers but are not required for Jardine residents. Amenities include 24-hour on-call staff and maintenance, resident events and programming, and an on-site restaurant and coffee shop